The Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 2nd of March. I'm James Spann. Clouds come back tomorrow. Some rain by tomorrow afternoon, but no severe weather risk this time. And the weekend ahead looking pretty good. Let's go in there and check it out. Water vapor satellite view, a very dry air mass in place. We note that little wave over the Great Plains. That'll be digging down through here tomorrow. Noticeably cooler today. Only 43 at Decatur, Birmingham 50. Tuscaloosa 54. Around the nation, you can see that cold air around the Great Lakes. They're below freezing at mid-afternoon, but thank goodness we're just catching the edge of that air mass, and we'll be back up in the 60s by the time the weekend gets here. That's the watch warning map around the nation today. Relatively quiet. Basically, the problem, it's the wildfire danger across parts of the Great Plains. The counties in pink, those are red flag warnings. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening of next week. This is suggesting amounts of about 1/2 inch. And again, that will be with our system coming in here tomorrow and tomorrow evening. Check it out, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. You can see that trough digging down through Arkansas. Below that, a surface low is approaching Memphis, 1,010 millibars. Clouds will increase. We'll see rain arriving by afternoon. That rain will likely be widespread by tomorrow night. This is tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. That 1010 millibar low sitting right on top of us. So cloudy, rainy. There could be some thunder, elevated instability, no surface-based instability. And again, rain amounts of about 1/2 inch seem likely. And the high tomorrow, low to mid-50s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 53. Friday, we are in good shape. The air will be dry. The sky becomes sunny. We'll be in the mid to upper 50s. And look at that bomb that's east of Chesapeake Bay. That could generate some hurricane-force winds off the upper Atlantic coast and maybe some snow for Washington and New York City. Our friends there will have to watch that one closely. Our weekend is looking good. This is Saturday, bright sunny weather with mid-60s, and Sunday, another bright sunny day. We'll be well up in the 60s. Let's go to Monday of next week. We note a surface low is over Nebraska. That could bring some strong storms from Texas up to parts of Oklahoma and eastern Kansas. But for us, Monday will be a dry day. We'll be up in the low 70s more than likely. And Tuesday, mild, breezy with mid-70s likely. The GFS is showing 75. Wow. And you can see those dual lows. One is west of Minneapolis-St. Paul, one near Wichita Falls, Texas. And that obviously could bring some risk of strong to severe storms for areas a little west of the state. And this is Wednesday of next week. And again, we're getting all kind of different signals now and modeling on this. The GFS digs that trough way down into Mexico. And moisture kind of creeps in here, but the dynamic forcing is really not here yet, so I don't think that's a severe weather look. There could be a few showers. We say mild and breezy with 70s. This is Thursday of next week, the 10th. A surface low is south of Lake Charles, and this is Friday, March 11th. Surface low still west of the state. So really, at the moment, the GFS for next week is advertising a chance of showers Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but no severe weather with the dynamic forcing well to the west. We'll check the European. This is Friday, March 11th. And it's got a band of storms coming in here that's more organized than the GFS, but we just don't know at this point. We'll have to wait and see. This is the end of the forecast, Saturday, March 12th. You can see that negative tilt trough over Louisiana, big trough in the western states, and that looks kind of showery, maybe stormy. And again, just get the idea from looking at this, the spring might be pretty active with thunderstorms. We've had some very quiet years, and we all know it's not going to stay that way forever. Check the anomalies, March 10th through March 16th, generally above average for the eastern two-thirds of the country, and that's reflected in the GEFS ensemble numbers. Highs 60s and 70s, lows mostly in the 50s. Our coldest morning would seem to be early Saturday morning with mid-30s possible, but still no sign of that long-awaited late-season cold snap we always have. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.